Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka Khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Deputy Commissioner John Ribhoi District Wahabilash Baranwal Hakar Pway Triku Jemang Arajar Posan Lepinchai Baka Jinkang Tala ke Khyrdop Lum Khajana Jong ka Khasi Hers Autonomous District Council Hakashnong Dihar Ribhoi District Kalongkat Kum Hukum Lepinmi Deka Sorkar Jilla Haus Nam Arajar Pway Bala Khangru Kat Kumi Kendon Jong ka An Hak Board ka District Council Hakaneko Hukum ka Kum Kamat ka Bahendriu La Tho Shai ba Onomla ban Pynïeng Yiki Khyrdop Lum Khajana Harud Jong Surokbah National Highway Khadc Jimpin Jong Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District kalong shisngi hadien bagi Executive Member Jong ka Khasi Hers Autonomous District Council bakintop yuba Powell Soklat beruba Winston Tony Lingdo kilakeno bagi Borsen Shah Jong Ribhoi District kimshim la buram ka council hagabe day baka jingkhang yake Khyrdop lum khajana Hagajnya kerma kilat pathai kubor Deputy Commissioner Lapin Shairu ba umshim lakhang yake District Council ba dagi hima milliam ban Pynïeng yake Khyrdop lum khajana hagi bon gi jaka ki bahap hapo upur sam jongki henre ban Pynïeng yake Khyrdop lum khajana Harud ka Surokbah National Highway ni ka State PWD Road ka an kamsha ba kum ki Borsen Shah jong ka District ki hab ban le ka kumi kendon jong ka an
So there is nothing like disrespecting KHDC. However, I mean, going by the work order that KHDC has given to that agent itself, you'll see point number 6, it is clearly mentioned that it cannot be set up on the highway. So even in their own work order, it is mentioned that it cannot be on the highway. And it is also an instruction which we have received from Government of Meghalaya way back in 2021. Wherein it was decided in consultation and concurrence with KHDC that no such check gate or toll gate can come up on the state PWD roads or national highway. So there is a standing instruction from Government of Meghalaya. Their own order is also saying that it cannot be set up on the national highway. So that is why this gate was closed down. Otherwise, there is no point of disrespecting KHDC. In fact, over the last 2 months, both KHDC and CM Hima Milliam have set up more than almost 8 to 10 check gates. We have not closed down anything else, but the one that has been set up on National Highway, which is against their own work order, that only has been closed down.